Energy-efficient windows Clearwater are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By installing energy-efficient windows Clearwater, residents can significantly lower their utility bills and enhance their home's overall energy performance. Window insulation is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment in Clearwater. Proper window insulation helps prevent drafts and reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. Clearwater Window Insulation Services offer a range of solutions, including window weather stripping and window sealing services, to ensure optimal energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows Clearwater play a significant role in achieving this efficiency. Double-glazed windows are an excellent choice for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows Clearwater, such as double-glazed windows, feature 2 panes of glass with a space in between, often filled with argon gas, to improve thermal performance. Double-glazed windows are a popular option for homeowners in Clearwater looking to upgrade their windows for better energy efficiency. Low-E glass is another innovative solution for improving window efficiency. This type of glass has a special coating that reflects infrared light, keeping heat inside during the winter and outside during the summer. Low-E glass is an essential component of energy-efficient windows Clearwater, helping to reduce energy consumption and improve comfort. Thermal windows are a type of energy-efficient windows Clearwater designed with multiple layers of glass and specialized coatings to enhance insulating properties. By choosing thermal windows, Clearwater residents can enjoy a more comfortable home environment and lower energy bills. Window replacement is a significant investment that can greatly impact a home's energy efficiency. Clearwater Window Replacement Services offer a variety of options, including energy-efficient windows Clearwater and insulated glass units, to meet the needs of any homeowner. Upgrading to new windows can improve a home's energy ratings and increase its overall value. Energy-efficient windows Clearwater are designed to reduce energy consumption and improve indoor comfort. These windows feature advanced technologies such as low-E coatings, argon-filled spaces, and thermal breaks to enhance their performance. By installing energy-efficient windows Clearwater, homeowners can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective living environment. Window tinting is a popular option for enhancing solar control and reducing glare. This process involves applying a thin film to the glass surface, which helps block harmful UV rays and reduce heat gain. Energy-efficient windows Clearwater, such as solar control windows, are an excellent choice for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and protect their interiors from sun damage. Energy-efficient windows Clearwater are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient windows Clearwater, residents can significantly lower their utility bills and enhance their home's overall energy performance. Window insulation is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment in Clearwater. Proper window insulation services, including the installation of energy-efficient windows Clearwater, can prevent drafts and reduce heat loss, ensuring that your home remains energy efficient. By investing in Clearwater window insulation services, homeowners can enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature and improved energy savings. Double-glazed windows, a type of energy-efficient windows Clearwater, are a popular choice for residents seeking enhanced energy efficiency. These windows feature 2 panes of glass with a space between them, providing superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. Double-glazed windows can help reduce noise pollution and improve the overall comfort of your home. Low-E glass is an innovative solution for Clearwater homeowners looking to improve their windows' energy efficiency. This type of glass has a special coating that reflects heat while allowing light to pass through. Low-E glass is a key component of energy-efficient windows Clearwater, helping to reduce energy costs by minimizing heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. Thermal windows, a type of energy-efficient windows Clearwater, are an excellent option for those seeking to enhance their home's energy performance. These windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, making them ideal for the Florida climate. Thermal window services can help homeowners achieve better energy efficiency and comfort.